Hello children. Today we are going to study new chapter, magnetic effect of current. Earlier we have studied one common effect of current which is known as heating effect of current and its applications. But in this chapter we are going to study another effect of current which is called magnetic effect of current. In this chapter we are going to discuss how magnetic field is produced by the current carrying conductor. But before discussing all these things, first we'll discuss magnetism, magnets, magnetic field and the properties of magnetic field lines. Children, magnetism is a property of substance to attract magnetic materials like iron, nickel and cobalt. Okay, this attractive property of substance is called magnetism. Okay, and magnet is a substance which has two properties, attractive property and directive property. Attractive properties means it is a substance which attract iron, which attract nickel, which attract the alloy of iron and which attract the other magnets also. This is called attractive property of magnet. And directive property means there is some role of direction in case of magnets. Means suppose it is a magnet and if we freely hang this magnet in a free space like this, it will align themselves in geographic north and geographic south direction. It means that there is some role of direction in case of magnets. Okay, so it is called directive property of magnet. Types of magnets. There are two types of magnets, natural magnet and artificial magnets. Natural magnets are irregular in shape and they are weak magnets. They produce weak magnetic field, and in practice will not use these magnets. There are some examples of natural magnets. Magnetite is a natural magnet. Lodestone, earth itself acts as a magnet. Earth has a magnetic field lines, it has a magnetic field pattern, it has two poles, geographic north and geographic south pole of magnet acts as a magnetic pole of magnet. Okay, and now move to the artificial magnets. Artificial magnets are man-making magnets and they are regular in shape and they produces a strong magnetic field as compared to the natural magnets. The strength of magnetic field produced by artificial magnet is based on as per requirement. Okay, so in practice we'll use artificial magnets. There are some common examples of artificial magnets like bar magnet, magnetic compass needle, magnetic needles, which we are using in our laboratories. Now children, next topic is magnetic field. Magnetic field is another physical quantity which is represented by symbol capital B. Magnetic field. It is a space around the magnet in which the magnet and the magnetic material experiences force of attraction or repulsion. Like suppose this is a bar magnet and we have sprinkled some iron filings around this bar magnet. These iron filings arrange themselves in a regular pattern like this. And if some iron filings are there, these iron filings arrange themselves by the effect of this magnet, because this magnet creates magnetic field around the region, and those iron particle which is inside the magnetic field produced by this bar magnet align themselves in the regular manner because of its attraction or repulsion, attractive and repulsive force. But those iron filings which is not inside the magnetic field produced by this bar magnet, they doesn't experience the force of attraction or repulsion. Okay, so magnetic field is simply a region around the magnet in which the other magnets or magnetic materials experiences force of attraction or repulsion. And the SI unit of this magnetic field is Tesla, which is represented by capital T. It is not given in NCERT, but you should know. And one more unit, CGS unit. Unit of magnetic field is Gauss. Oersted is also a CGS unit of magnetic field, and the relation between these two is 1 Tesla is equals to 10 to the power 4 Gauss. Magnetic field lines. It is a pictorial representation of magnetic field. We can visualize magnetic field or the strength of magnetic field by drawing magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines are the imaginary curves which gives the information about the strength of magnetic field. Okay, suppose this is a bar magnet and it has two poles, north pole and south pole. So because it is a magnet, it creates some magnetic field around it, and the magnetic field lines of this magnet is like this. The pattern of magnetic field line is like this. But if we want to find the direction of magnetic field at any point, suppose this is a point P. So how will you find the direction of magnetic field at a particular point? So we have two methods, by using compass needle simply, and by drawing tangent on this point. If we draw the tangent on this point, we will simply find the direction of magnetic field at a particular point. Now, properties of magnetic field line. These properties are very important for 1 marks question. First property of magnetic field line: the direction of magnetic field lines outside the magnet is north to south, and inside the magnet south to north. Okay, 1 marks question: magnetic field lines are closed in continuous loop. Justify your answer. Simply, the direction of magnetic field line outside the magnet north to south and inside the magnet south to north. So they form closed and continuous loop. The second property: magnetic field lines are crowded near the poles and far apart at the middle of the magnet. So the region where the magnetic field lines are crowded, it means that the strength of magnetic field is very strong at that regions. So the strength of magnetic field is maximum at the poles and least at the middle of the magnet. Third property of is magnetic field lines never intersect each other. This is not possible in case of magnetic field lines, because we know that magnetic field lines outside the magnet north to south and inside south to north, and if they do so at the point of intersection, they will represent two directions of magnetic field, which is not possible. Okay. Fourth property of magnetic field lines: when the magnetic field lines are parallel and equidistant, they represent uniform magnetic field. Clear? And one more property, it is not a property of magnetic field line, it is a property of bar magnet. Like poles repel each other and unlike poles attract each other. North pole or south pole repel each other and north south attract each other. Thank you, children.